Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your account in the Snapchat app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the camera. From here we just go into the profile menu, then we tap on settings, then we scroll down to the bottom, and here we find delete account. If we tap on this, then the app is going to redirect us to a Google page where we can delete our account. It might take a while to load, but after it has loaded, it's going to guide us through the steps of deleting our account. Here we have to enter our username or email address, and then we can just continue on with the process of deleting our account. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.